amount of money that was interested in investing here in the kingdom was at a record level from places all throughout the world.
Larry, you see where money is flowing in and out of the world, probably more than anybody else. Where is it flowing in right now, and where is it flowing out?
Well, it's good to be here in the kingdom. Thank you, David. It's always wonderful to see the transformation of the kingdom. And again, coming back here again, we're seeing an enormous change. We just did a transaction here in the kingdom, and we had 5x more demand than we could provide. And the amount of money that was interested in investing here in the kingdom was at a record level from places all throughout the world. To me, this is just an indication of the transformation here in the kingdom, but more importantly in the whole region. And I do believe we're seeing more and more as the GCC becoming one of the major destinations for capital. This region has been typically underinvested by global investors worldwide. And I would say in the last 2 months, we're seeing that money coming back into the United States. And so I don't see there's that much movement. There's still a deep belief in the opportunity in the U.S. If you look at the makeup of the second quarter of the U.S. economy, over 40% of the economic growth in the second quarter was CapEx for technology. And you don't see that in other places in the world. And it's that CapEx, whether it is through data centers or finding more power, gas, building gas turbines, you're seeing all that happening more in the United States than most places in the world today. This is one of the big reasons for the huge gap between the U.S. GDP and the European GDP. But look, money's going to move around all the time, but I would say most global investors have a very large overweight in the U.S., and I think that's going to be the place to have your overweighting for at least the next 18 months. And we'll see how that all plays out then.